Hi everyone, welcome to LogiTek. In today's videos, we will learn how to find the serial number of any Microsoft computer. For this, all you have to do, you just need to go to the very bottom of your computer screen. There is a search panel where you can simply type CMD and you can open the command prompt that you can see on your computer screen. Once you click on Open Command Prompt, a window will pop up on your screen. There, you just need to type wmic space BIOS space get space serial number. Make sure there is no space between serial and number. Once you type this, just hit enter on your keyboard. The moment you do it, you would see the serial number of your computer is right there on your screen. So it doesn't matter, is it a Dell computer, HP computer, is it a Lenovo computer? As far as it's a Microsoft Windows operating system, this is the way how you find a serial number of your computer. So that's all from this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. You have a very good day.